Return to the woman you were before the world rushed you. There's a version of you who still believes in beauty, who walks a little slower in the fall, breathes a little deeper, and knows that her clothing is not just fabric, but a reflection of her values. In a world pushing speed and spectacle, you've chosen stillness. This is your sacred return to the woman you were before the world rushed you, before hustle muted your softness, before trends confused your taste, before you forgot how good it feels to be her. In today's video, we're not just talking about fall wardrobe pieces. We're rebuilding your relationship with elegance, one quiet outfit at a time. Because elegance isn't something you wear, it's something you remember. In a world that rewards loudness, where trend cycles spin faster than thoughts, and where style has become more of a performance than a reflection of the soul, there is something quietly revolutionary about the woman who dresses for herself, not to impress, but to express identity, legacy, values, peace. This video is for the woman who no longer wants to be consumed by fashion, but wants to embody it with elegance. Signature style is not found in the mirror. It's found in what you silently choose again and again when no one is watching. Return to Elegance with Elisa. Look 1. The woman who doesn't rush. Burgundy leather skirt plus black turtleneck. There's something magnetic about a woman who takes her time. This outfit whispers exactly that. A deep burgundy leather skirt hugging your silhouette. A black ribbed turtleneck, simple but structured. Wine-colored heels that don't need to be loud to be seen. You're not rushing to be noticed. You're walking with intention, carrying a life you've chosen. Pair this look with a moment of silence before leaving home, a gentle perfume, and the decision to move through the world without performing. This is the kind of outfit that moves with intention, not clingy, not stiff, just softly sculpted. You walk into the room, and though you say nothing, you are seen, not because of the outfit, but because of the restraint in it. Picture her at the office or a bookstore cafe on a rainy Saturday. She orders her cappuccino with a thank you, not a performance. Her elegance is not loud. It's remembered. Links in description. If you're here because you're done chasing trends and ready to return to the woman you were created to be, subscribe now. Every week, I'll be waiting here with quiet luxury, gentle power, and feminine restoration. And stay until the end. The last few pieces will surprise you with how soft power can be woven into the smallest detail. Look 2. The quiet power of a cape. Cream cape, white trousers, ivory boots. This is what it looks like when you no longer chase what doesn't align. A sculptural cream cape that flows like a soft yes, ivory boots that feel strong but feminine, and white trousers, clean, crisp, like your new boundaries. You wear this when you need to remind yourself. You don't need to explain your piece, you just need to walk in it. Look 3. The cream turtleneck that holds you together. There's something beautiful about a cream turtleneck. It doesn't ask for attention, it holds you. Soft, warm, intelligent. Worn by women who read, reflect, and radiate calm. Outfit idea. Pair it with a pleated camel midi skirt, knee-high cognac leather boots, and a structured top handle bag. This is not an outfit. It's a statement of internal order, of having nothing to prove. Look 4. The warm embrace of a rust dress. Cinnamon knit dress plus brown boots. This dress feels like coming home. The rich cinnamon color. The soft knit that hugs your shape without asking for attention. The way it moves with your body, not against it. You wear this for Sunday slow living, while journaling by the window with coffee that's still warm. This is not just an outfit, it's an emotion, a soft return to feeling good in your skin again. Look 5. The woman who protects her peace. Burgundy trousers, camel poncho, red gloves. This look is a shield of elegance, a camel poncho that drapes like armor, burgundy trousers that ground you, and deep red leather gloves that say, "I've mastered the art of restraint." You wear this when you're not trying to prove anything. You've outgrown that. This is the uniform of a woman who knows her worth and guards it carefully. In a culture obsessed with bodycon clothing, the woman who wears trousers tailored like poetry is the one who commands the most respect, quietly. Comment below. What fall piece makes you feel quietly powerful? I'd love to feature some of your answers in the next video. And if you haven't joined the waitlist for the Return to Elegance ebook, just DM me the word Elegance on Instagram, link in description. The book releases October 1st, and it's a journey you won't want to miss. The everyday ritual of showing up well. Brown turtleneck, chocolate skirt, camel coat, clutch. This is your soft morning armor. You don't dress like this to impress others. You dress like this to honor your own story. Chocolate and caramel tones blend into a quiet kind of confidence, the kind you bring to grocery aisles, to school pickups, to solo lunch dates, where you take up space with grace. This is one of my favorite looks because it turns even the mundane into sacred self-respect. Look 7, the fall dress that feels like poetry. Florals in fall? Yes, but not spring garden prints. Deep plum, forest green, gold tone detailing, long sleeves, romantic sleeves, and a waist that flatters without suffocating. Picture walking into a cozy dinner party. Everyone else is overdressed or uncomfortable. You, in your velvet-trimmed fall dress, are graceful, magnetic, and at ease. If you're watching this and these outfits feel like medicine, it's because they are. We don't just wear elegant clothes to look polished. We wear them to remember who we are, and that's why on October 1st, I'm releasing the Return to Elegance ebook, a soft, sacred guide for women like us who want to rebuild their identity through beauty, ritual, and quiet strength. This book is not about trends. It's about returning to the you who used to believe she was beautiful before the world told her otherwise. Stay with me. Outfits is coming, and it's the one that lives in my dreams. Look 8, the gown that reclaims the room. Flowy brown gown with dramatic belt. There's a kind of elegance that doesn't knock. It enters and softens the room. This deep brown flowing gown, cinched with a wide leather belt, tells the world, I'm not here for approval. I'm here to be. You wear this for dinner parties where you serve more warmth than wine. For home birthdays with linen napkins and handwritten name cards. For the woman who's creating a legacy. Quietly. Look 9, the woman wrapped in strength. Mahogany gown with leather trench. This one feels sacred. A deep espresso gown layered beneath a mahogany leather trench. This is what you wear when you've had to be strong for too long. But now, you're choosing to be soft by choice, not by force. You light your candles, you pour your tea, and you walk in elegance, not because life is perfect, but because you've made peace with your own pace. Look 10, textures that speak before you do. Burgundy knit set with belt. You don't need to speak when your textures already say everything. This Merlot knit set is bold in silence. It clings to your frame just enough to say, she knows herself. The belt, the heels, the clutch, all precise, like a symphony of soft power. You wear this for quiet gallery evenings, or when you want to command a room without raising your voice. Look 11, the statement coat without the statement. The woman of wealth does not need a screaming coat. She wears a camel wrap coat with no buttons, just a belt, or a double-breasted trench in olive green. Maybe a tweed in soft earth tones. True wealth is silent, even in outerwear. These coats aren't loud, but they say, I take myself seriously. Which of these outfits feels like the season you're in? Leave me a comment below, and if one of them spoke directly to your heart, that's the one to wear this week. Links to everything I mentioned are below, including a few of my fall favorites from Ralph Lauren, The Row, and Max Mara. And if you want to go deeper into this lifestyle, not just the fashion, but the philosophy. Our ebook Return to Elegance is almost here. Look 12, satin for sacred living. Satin brown dress under coat. This outfit is for candlelit dinners at home, for soft music and bare feet, for a woman who has finally realized that she is worthy of beauty, even when no one's watching. This satin skirt and coat pairing isn't about going somewhere. It's about becoming someone again. Look 13, ivory power and a golden belt. Ivory pantsuit with gold belt. You don't need to wear black to look strong. This crisp ivory pantsuit paired with a bold golden belt is what you wear when you're ready to walk in your calling. Whether that's a boardroom, a bridal shower, or simply your own living room, this look says, I'm ready for my next chapter, and I'm entering it elegantly. My love, if these outfits spoke to something deeper in you, if you felt even the slightest whisper saying, this is who I used to be, then you are already on the journey back to elegance, and I want to walk with you. On October 1st, I'll be releasing the Return to Elegance ebook, a soft, sacred guide to rebuilding your feminine identity through beauty, behavior, and how you carry yourself. Because you don't need to become someone new. You just need to come back to who you've always been. Join me, subscribe, DM me the word elegance on Instagram to be the first to receive the book. Let's reclaim this lifestyle together, one soft moment at a time.